Now in output characteristics, we'll plot between VCE as well as this is IC, not IB. This is change. This is not IB, this is IC, and this is IB. IB will put constant for different values of IB. Will plot suppose 10 microampere or 20 microamperes, like that. Will plot for different voltage as well as current, output voltage as well as output current. Here the output voltage is VCE and the output current is IC. Will keep the input voltage as constant by keeping different values. By keeping 10 microampere as constant, we'll plot the graph between VCE as well as IC. Similarly, we can change it to another current value of input current, and we'll plot the graph between VCE as well as IC. Similarly, you can change it for n number of values. We'll get, as you go on increasing the value of IB, for this values you will get graph in this fashion. Clear? Now we'll perform. So I am keeping 5 microamperes as IB. This is my 5 microamperes of IB I have kept. Now by changing this, we'll note the values of IC. We'll note the values of IC. This is IC as well as VCE. VCE will take different values and IC will note for IB is equals to this much. Again we change the IB and then we'll note the values of VCE as well as IC. VCE, IC, VCE value and IC value. This is in microamperes. Like that we'll change the different values for VCE
up
and
to 10 volts.
Like that we will plot the characteristics of your output characteristics. This is how you will get the output characteristics by taking the different values of VCE and IC. IC will be obtained from this display, VCE will be obtained from this display. From this display we will get VCE, and from this display we will get IC, and IB we have kept constant of some microamperes, whether it is 3 microampere or 4 microampere or 10 microampere, 20 microampere or 50 microampere, like that. We will keep different values of IC, IB, and we'll take the readings like this. This is how we will plot the output characteristics. After noting down this table, by using these values we will plot the graph between VCE and IC. You will get the graph like this. This is about input characteristics and this is your output characteristics. Clear?